Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Mailchimp account connection in Make.com step by step clearly. To authorize your Mailchimp account connection in Make.com, begin by logging into your Make.com account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the scenario where you want to add Mailchimp. Click on the plus button to add a new module. In the search bar, type Mailchimp to find the Mailchimp module. Select the Mailchimp module from the list of options. Look for the connection field within this window. Click on the Add button next to the connection drop-down. A new prompt will open, asking for your Mailchimp API key. To find your API key, log into your Mailchimp account in a new tab. Navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile in the bottom left corner. Select Extras from the drop-down menu, then click on API keys. Here, you can either copy an existing API key or create it. Once copied, return to Make.com and paste your API key into the prompt. Click on Continue to proceed. Make.com will now test the connection to ensure everything is set up correctly. If the connection is successful, you will see a confirmation message. After that, you can continue configuring the rest of your Mailchimp module settings. Once you've finished setting up, click Save to apply your changes. You have now successfully authorized your Mailchimp account connection in Make.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.